Now, the continued class ERP modules, friends. This is part 2, unit 3. This is sorry for that. This is a part 1, uh, unit 3 ERP modules. The continuity class ERP modules. Enterprise resource planning system. Just by considering name, we can simplify define ERP as system or software that is used to manage all the resources of the whole enterprises. That is use the all resources of the whole enterprises. Right from the employee payments to single screw coming into the enterprise, everything can be managed and tracked by using ERP system. So cross-functional areas can organization and ERP helps to manage the business process, various departments. So through these applications, centralize the applications, we can make all the major decisions by screening the information provided by ERP. So we already discussed these kind of parts in previous class. Then what are the modules are we are having? Then ERPs which can be found in ERP system, depending of organization, need to require the components are integrated, custom customized ERP system is formed. So where it is we are using, which sector we are using, so which sector highly we are using ERP module. So all the below mentioned modules can be found in ERP system. So manufacturing sector, these things I already said that manufacturing sector, human resource, inventory sector, sales and marketing, purchase, finance and accounting, customer relationship management, engineering production, supply chain supply chain management, and so this sector or this sector we are using ERP module. So this is the module. HR means human resource, inventory, and sales, and purchase, and finance and accounting, CRM, engineering, production, and SCM. So the one ERP application, these modules are these ways and these areas we call it as a modules in this sector we are using. Then each component mentioned above is specialized to handle the defined business, specialized department. These things are specialized department. So this process of the organization, let us go through that introduction with the various model. Human resource module, HR module. So human resource module, HRM, human resource module. So human resource module helps to the HR team for efficient management of human resources to recruit the people. So correct persons and efficient persons to recruit the company. So because of the human resource module, the backbone of company, the HR modules helps to the manage employee information, track employee records like performance reviews, designations, job descriptions, skill matrix, time attendance tracking. So one of the important submodules in the HR modules. One of the important payroll system, which helps to the manage salaries. So under this human resource module, to do the work, once again to do the work under HR modules, employee information, provide the employee information and track employee records, provide the performance appraisal of employee, and provide the designations, and provide the job descriptions, and provide the skill matrix, and you provide the time and attendance tracking of employees. And one of the important submodules of HR modules is payroll system. Under payroll system, it should be explaining about the salaries, payment reports, etc. It can also include the travel expenses and reimbursements tracking. So these kind of objectives, these kind of things are entire, totally objectives are involved in human resource module. Next, inventory module. This one, inventory module. So inventory module can be used to track the stock of items. Inventory means a stock. So inventory is nothing but a stock, a particular stock. So we have two types of stocks: the closing stock and the opening stock. Okay. Then inventory module can be used to track the stock of items. So which is received and payments and closing stock and opening stock. It should be explaining about that. Items can be identify the unique serial number. So inventory module application should be identify the unique serial number, unique serial numbers. For example, barcodes. Using that unique numbers, inventory system can keep a track of item and trace its current location in the organizations under inventory module. For example, you have purchased 100 hard disks, for example. So using inventory system, you can track how many hard disks are installed, where they are installed, how many hard disks are remaining, etc. So that is a find out the things. And inventory module include functionalities like inventory control, master units, stock utilization, reporting, etc. Inventory module include functionalities like functionalities means like the inventory control, master units, and stock utilization. There are maybe an integration of the inventory module with the purchase of module. Next, ERP sales module. These completely related to product sales and goods sales and everything. So typically sales process include process like sales queries, inquiry analysis, handling, quotation drafting, accepting sales order, drafting sales invoices with proper taxation, and dispatch shipment of material or service. Okay, tracking pending sales order. All these sales transactions are managed by the sales module of ERP. For example, take application tracking. So that is also one of the ERP sales module, application tracking. Okay, so under sales module, drafting sales invoices once again with the proper taxation, dispatch, shipment of material, tracking pending sales order. All the sales transactions are managed by the sales module of ERP. CRM module can take the help of the sales module for future opportunity creation, lead generation, future opportunity creation, and lead generation. So under the sales modules are involved under ERP application. Next one, purchase module. So this is sales and this one purchase. As the name indicates, the purchase modules take care of all the process that are part of the procurement of items. Means purchase the raw material, okay, that are required for the organization. Purchase the module consists of functionalities like supplier and vendor, supplier and item linking, sending quotation, request to vendors, receiving and recording quotation, analysis of quotation, preparing purchase orders, and tracking the purchase items, and preparing GRN numbers, goods receipt notes, updating stack. These kind of things are involved in purchase module application. So which is involved in purchase application modules, all the process that are a part of the procurement items. Procurement item means before manufacturing of product, which is we are going to manufacturing compulsory we need raw material, raw material. So that is our primary stage. Okay, vendor, supplier, and item linking and sending quotation requests to vendors and receiving, recording quotations, analysis of quotation, preparing purchase orders, and tracking of the purchase item, etc. So these things are involved in purchase module application. Next, finance and accounting module. This is the important, this is the backbone of company. Finance and accounting module. All inflow and outflow, cash inflow and cash outflow of money. So this is important thing. Receipts and payments are involved in this finance and accounting module. Whole inflow and outflow of money. Capital is managed by the finance module. Okay. So this module keeps track of all account related transactions like expenditure, balance sheet, incomes, account ledger and budgeting, bank statement and payment receipt, tax management, etc. Under this finance accounting, and for example, take ERP, Tally ERP 9. So that is also one of the application under ERP. Okay, finance accounting module. These are the applications are involved in this system. Customer relationship management CRM module. One of the application, customer relationship management CRM model. CRM department is helping to boost the sales performance. Customer relationship management is CRM department is helping to the boost the sales performance. Boost the sales performance through better customer service. So when they want to customers needs and wants. Then when we are satisfied, definitely our product will be grow in the market. So that's why the sales performance through better customer service. So establishing of healthy relationship with the customer. Then the customer relationship most important. Every businessman, every salesman, or every businessman. Without customer, no business. Okay, the establishing of healthy relationship with the customer. Every time the entrepreneur should be, the businessman should be good relationship with the customer. So all the store details of the customer are available in the CRM model. For example, take sales and sales report and customer report, customer feedback. These are under CRM, relationship management application. CRM module helps to manage the track detail information of customer, like communication history, calls, meetings, details of purchase made by the customer, contract duration, etc. For example, take you reviews. So that is the feedback. Okay, next one, engineering production module. So production module is a great help for the manufacturing industry for delivering the product. This module consists of functionalities like production planning, mission scheduling, raw material usage. Okay, this module consists of functionalities, engineering production module. So like production planning, mission scheduling, raw material usage, track daily production, progress production, forecasting, and actual production reporting. So these are under engineering production module. Supply chain management. SCM module manages the flow of product items from manufacturing to manufacturer to consumer, or consumer to manufacturer. Supply chain management, from supplier to customer, from customer to supplier. This is one of the ERP module application. So next one, thank you very much, students. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much, friends. Also, okay. So any doubts, please ping my number. Thank you.